English shorthand dictation speed 80 word per minute. Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start the balance sheet and the profit and loss account of a business enterprise. Show the net effect of the various transactions, events, and decisions taken by its management on the operational and financial position of the enterprise. These statements no doubt constitute an important raw material for analyzing the financial position of an enterprise, but they are not capable of conveying all the information needed for analyzing the reasons for the state of affairs as depicted in the balance sheet. The information of events causing changes in the assets and liabilities items in the balance sheet is particularly needed for such a region oriented analysis. The profit and loss account helps in explaining the changes to the extent they are affected by transactions and events which exercise their impact through profit and loss. But all transactions and events taking place in an enterprise do not necessarily operate through profit and loss account. This means that changes in the assets and liability items of a balance sheet over a period arise out of profit and loss transactions and other transactions. If one has to understand the financial strategy and financial condition of a business, then both the above types of transactions must be traced and analyzed properly. The technique by which the balance sheet changes are traced to original transactions for the purpose of analysis is known as fund flow analysis. Fund flow statement is a statement which attempts to explain the changes over two periods in the balance sheet items by tracing them back to the original transactions, thus throwing light on the financial strategy of the business unit and enabling its proper interpretation and predictions. It summarizes the various transactions in terms of the sources and usage of the funds involved in business activities. Such a summary enables one to judge the validity and effect of financial strategy of the business. It is useful particularly in situations where, in spite of profitable operations, the firm is in the grip of liquidity crisis, which arises because the liquid profits are blocked in fixed assets. Therefore, every business house has to appoint a chartered accountant to take care of the accounting of the company. The profit and loss account has to be placed before the managing committee, which the financial experts will examine and reasons for the good or bad performance of the company and will take remedial measures or corrective steps. Stop.